Learning theory has dominated most areas of psychology for the first half of the 20th century. From this perspective, personality resulted from learned responses of patterns to patterns of reinforcement. By the 1950s, however, there was growing agreement that cognition, or thinking, is important in understanding many aspects of human behavior, including personality. This change in focus was the basis for development of social cognitive approaches to personality. Julian Rotter developed one of the first theories of personality that included cognition. According to Rotter's expectancy theory, your behaviors are part of your personality. They result from how you think about two things: your expectancies for reinforcement and the values you place on particular reinforcers. For instance, suppose you're deciding whether to study for an exam or go to a party. You'll probably consider whether studying will lead to a good grade and how much that grade matters to you. Then you'll weigh those two considerations against two others: the likelihood that the party will be fun and how much you value having fun. Expectancy theory led Rotter to propose that people's personalities are based on their locus of control. Locus of control means whether people control the rewards and punishments that they experience. People with an internal locus of control believe that they themselves influence outcomes. For example, if you have an locus of control, you might believe that you got a promotion because you worked hard. Those with an external locus of control believe that outcomes, and therefore their personal fates, result from forces beyond their control. If you have an external locus of control, you might view the same promotion as being due to luck, not because of your hard work. These generalized beliefs reflect personality. In another influential social cognitive theory of personality, Albert Bandura argued that three factors influence how you act. The first factor is your environment. The second factor is multiple person factors, which include your characteristics, self-confidence, and expectations. The third factor is behavior itself. This approach to personality explains how each of these three factors affects the others to determine how personality is expressed through behavior. Because personality is explained by the interaction of all three factors, the model is called reciprocal determinism. Let's look at how these factors affect someone's personality expressed in a situation. Imagine that you go to a party. According to Bandura's model, the party is the environment. The specific features of the environment affect your behavior. To judge the effects, we need to know the specifics. So let's specify that you don't know most of the people at the party. In addition, you have particular person factors. Let's say you're outgoing and sociable. These characteristics have probably been rewarded by your environment in the past. For example, people may have responded positively to your friendliness. Lastly, your behavior in this situation will reflect both the environment and your person factors. So specifically at this party, you'll most likely be talkative with new people. In turn, your behavior will affect the environment. Furthermore, because you're friendly, the party may become more fun for everyone. But if any of the three factors change, then your behavior will also change. For example, if the environment changes and several people leave the party, your behavior is likely to change.